Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You guys might hear my daughter a little bit. She's right outside the door. So you might hear her just a little bit. She's out there talking to me. But today we're having a seafood boil. Yeah, just crawfish, shrimp. I have a king crab knuckle right here. And some potatoes, and then of course my sauce. So, make sure that you guys like this video, leave me a comment, and share it with your friends and family. Yeah, let's just get started. I'm actually like super tired. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but I'm super tired. And we had these left over, so yeah, that's why we're eating them. But I'm super excited, so anyways, we always got to start with the crawfish. Oh, and a drink. I do have my water, but I also have Coke. So, I always forget that, you know. I forgot to bring a discard plate. It's okay. I'll just put that up there again. So, we had the seafood on Friday. And I made my sauce, but with a different butter. And so I didn't really eat any of the seafood because my sauce tasted disgusting. We threw that butter away because it was just, ugh. Yeah, it was disgusting. Like, Troy put it on his waffle. He put it on something else too, and it just made the food taste funny. Like, I even put in a different butter to kind of help to see if maybe that butter could overpower the other one, but no. Ooh. This lemon is kind of hard to squeeze. There is still something kind of off about my sauce this time, even though I switched back to the normal butter that I've been using. But I'm thinking that maybe it's because I've been kind of sick and my taste buds are a little out of whack or something. I already know that I'm not finishing all of this, but I'm going to try to finish most of it. Sometimes if I see that, I definitely won't eat it, so. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a minute. It's just been like we had Edward and Archer, and of course Elliot and Tinsley, and so we were kind of just busy with the kids, and my stomach was also acting up for most of the time that we had all the kids together, so it makes it really hard for me to eat. Like, my stomach is still acting up today, but does anybody else love it when Beloved sucks the knuckles? I know I do. Gotta get those onions on there. My sauce is still kind of hot though. For hell's sakes, stay on there. Ooh, that's cold. Also, I really want to do a video with Troy. Kind of like what Steph and Tosh do, where they ask each other the uncomfortable questions or whatever. I want to do that with Troy. I think it would be hilarious, especially with him. Ooh, can't lose the onion. See guys, I'm already getting full. I really hate my stomach. Don't worry, I'm not throwing any of the crawfish away. My next video, I'll try doing something different. Maybe do like a grilled tuna fish sandwich or something, I don't know. I think my taste buds are off or something. Because that potato tastes funny. Sorry to the people who don't like burping. There's lots of burping in this one. I feel like I burp the most when my stomach isn't happy. Kind of helps relieve the pain a little. Yeah, everything's just... And the crawfish isn't bad. But I can definitely tell my taste is a little off. Okay guys, this is going to be a short video because I think I'm done. Going to put the rest of these little guys in the freezer. So, sorry it's short. I haven't been very entertaining in this video. I don't know that I ever really am. Something exciting though. Me and Troy are trying to figure out where we want to go on our honeymoon, and we're thinking either Alaska or he wants to go on some island. I don't remember what island he said. So, we've been looking into doing that if we can save up enough money to do it next year. We're definitely gonna try to. But yeah. I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Guys, I have not been able to talk. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I need a nap. So, although I won't be able to take one because Tinsley's still awake. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Lots of love, my WillowBBs. Bye. Wadding.